Hi and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aiman Haziq bin Suhaimi and my matric card is 230343 and I from section 817. So today I would like to explain to you question number 10, which is divide to two question, which is question number 15 and 16. So let's look to first question, which is question number 15. The function in the force versus time diagram in figure at on 1.5 kilogram. So the first question is ask us to find the impulse of the force. Alright, to find the impulse of the force is to calculate the area under the graph. So if we look to the graph, the shape of the graph is trapezium. So we need to find the area of trapezium and just substitute the values and we got 8 Newton per second. 8 Newton second. Okay, so let's move to the question B. And the question asks us to find final velocity, and the initial velocity is 0 because it is inertia at rest. Alright, to find the final velocity, we use equation Ft equals to change of momentum. Alright, which is Ft is impulse and change of momentum is mv final minus mv initial. So just substitute the value that we got at question A, which is 8, and we got the final answer. Final velocity is 5.33 meter per second. Alright, let's move to question C. Question C same goes to question B, but different initial velocity, which is negative 2.0 meter per second. Alright, so just substitute the value and we got the final answer. Final velocity equals to 3.33 meter per second. Alright, so let's move to the last question, which is question number 16. Okay, let's look to the next question, which is question number 16. Basically, question number 16 same goes to question number 15, but different graph and different value. So, the force of magnitude Fx acting in the x direction on a 2 kilogram, which is mass is equals to 2 kilogram. So, the first question asks us to find the impulse of a force. So, as I said in the previous question, if we want to find the impulse, we need to find the area under the graph. So if we look to the graph, we can divide to two shapes, which is trapezium and triangle. So we need to find area of trapezium and area of triangle. So just substitute the value and we got the impulse is 12 Newton second. So let's move to the next question, which is question B. The final velocity of the particle if it is initial at rest. So we can conclude that initial velocity is equals to 0 meter per second. So to find the final velocity, we use the equation Ft equals to change of momentum, which is Ft is impulse and change of momentum is mv final minus mv initial. So we can substitute the impulse that we got at question A, which is 12. So just substitute the value, we got the final answer, which is final velocity equals to 6 meter per second. So for the question C, basically same goes to question B, but different initial velocity, which is negative 2 meter per second. So we use the same equation, which is Ft equals to mv final minus mv initial, and just substitute the value and we got the final answer is 4 meter per second. So I hope you all understand what I have explained just now, and if you don't understand, you can call me or text me. So I think that's all from me. Thank you and assalam.